One last thing. If you do live in the snow and your decks are outside, you've got some wood decks, or you got some concrete paver decks, or you got some tile decks, or Trek decks, which is like a fake wood deck. You know, every time it snows, it doesn't take long to just go ahead and shovel it off and keep it nice, keep it safe. This is going to dry. There's not going to be any ice on here. There's not going to be any ice down these stairs. And if it doesn't snow for another 2 weeks, now you can keep using your deck too. And I can't tell you how many times I went up to the snow and shoveled off a deck that hadn't been shoveled off for let's say a month, and got down to the bottom and there's ice, and you get snow shovels that have the metal edge on them instead of just these, and you go and try to shave it off and you're damaging the wood deck. You don't have to damage the wood deck if you just do it. If you've got time and if you're out there, just take a shovel just like this one, scrape it off, stick your broom to it, sweep it off a little bit, and see, it didn't take very long. You know, if this deck was bigger, granted it is bigger, but we've got an overhang here. So if this deck was a lot bigger, hey, it'd take me a few more minutes to shovel it off. And now if it doesn't snow for say 2 or 3 weeks, you've got everything nice. You can walk out on your deck and use it. Next time it snows, you know that you can just shovel that off nice and easy again. Because once that hardens up, you got 8 or 9 inches on here, and then that crusts over, and then you get some more snow on there, and that crusts over, and then it starts raining or something. You're going to have a big, huge problem on your deck for scraping it off. Trust me, it's going to damage your deck, and plus the more snow that gets on here, the heavier it is on your deck. And if you've got a weak floor joist somewhere and it's got a knot in it or something, and you get too much snow on here, you could cave in your deck. I've seen that happen too. Okay, when this snow gets wet, oh man, it's heavy. One little shovelful and it's way heavier than powder snow. Okay, so think about that too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to talk about next time? I have no idea. Remember I said we had heat coming up out of the floor. These are the registers coming out of the floor instead of the ceiling. Oh, nice and warm. I'm just going to leave those there for a half hour or so. Those will be nice and toasty.